Hi there, Sheri Griffin here with Keller Williams. We're doing a walkthrough at 1207 LaSalle Street in Tallulah, Louisiana today. So let's get started. All right, family room. This one has been totally updated and upgraded. New ceilings, new floor, new light fixtures, a little bar. Property does sit on the Bayou in Tallulah. I'm going to give you a quick peek out this window here so you can see that. There you go. And the property line goes beyond the fence down to the water. Take another look here at the family room. All that neat lighting up there across the top. And let's take a walk. I'm gonna take a peek outside. It does have a really nice patio. They've just planted their little garden, which is beyond that fence. Give you a little. There is hot and cold water, running water out here. They do have a couple of dogs that they take care of. Beyond that fence is a garden. Look it up. This is your dining room. Gas fireplace. Your laundry room is right down here. You do have a washer and dryer that are staying with the house. Maytag, 1.5 years old, 10-year warranty. Tankless water heater for the whole house. Does have concrete floor. New flooring in here. Dining room, kitchen. There's that family room again. And over here we have stainless steel sink, dishwasher, gas stove, griddle on top. It also has warming lights, does convection, dehydration, microwave, another oven, and an awesome refrigerator. We also have a pantry. And more storage units right here that will stay with the house. Entryway, front door, very pretty. First bedroom, very chic. Closet over there. Headboard stays with the house as well as those little end tables are all mounted on the wall. Seller would go ahead and sell that whole unit there with the house. So, there's a kitchen. Let's take a walk down the hall. They put new wainscot in here. All fresh paint. Bathroom's been upgraded. New toilet. I gotta show you this. You know how in the old houses you have the laundry chute? There you go. It's now officially a storage area. Second bedroom. That wood closet over there in the corner is actually a security room. So it stays locked and the door is about 3 or 4 inches thick. So again, our flooring, picture of our wainscot. This is an office, but can also be a bedroom. Does have double closets. Fans stay with the house. This is the master bedroom. There is a nice long walk-in closet too. This was added. The closet used to be right there. They've added a barn door. Again, you have new fixtures here. And a new sink and a toilet. I love the shower here, good boy. All tile. And I love that shower head. And back out we go. Again, let's take another look here of the master bedroom. And down the hall, different angle. New lighting. Electrical's been redone. Plumbing's been redone in this house as well. New insulation. AC units, excellent. Heating, excellent. This is a smart home. It has 3 smart home features. It has what we call the Ring doorbell. I'm going to show you that real quick. We've got some time. Looks like that. Take the picture. You've got that at the front door and you've got that at the back door. You also got thermostat, which is also smart. Let's take a look at that, which is right there. You also have security lights that are outside. You also have time lighting in the house. So if you're not here, you're okie dokie. And it also comes with a security system. So that does it. This is 1207 LaSalle Street, Tallulah, Louisiana. And this is Sheri Griffin. You call me to come see this house, 318-488-1760. Again, 318-488-1760. And this is Sheri. Hope to hear from you real soon. Y'all have a great, healthy day. Bye now.